Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are doing an unboxing. I got a little something here from my buddy Glass Monkey over in Tennessee. And before you ask, no, it was not free. So nothing in life is free. We all pay for it. So let's see what he sent me. I know what it is. At least I think I know what it is. But you do not. And I am genuinely curious because I have only seen this on the website, and I've been looking to get one for some time now. And got our GlasWeld. What is this? A GlasWeld hat too? Nice. Bend, Oregon. That's not far from where my mom lives. So we'll set that over there. Got some foam padding here. We'll pull out of here to make it easier to remove the box. Somebody left me an autograph. And got our GlasWeld repair kit finally. I've been looking forward to getting one of these. I've been genuinely curious about these guys. I've seen them at the show a few times, and just didn't have the funds to get one. So now we have one, and now we're going to give it a shot. Unfortunately, you're not going to see it on the channel for a little while because obviously I need to do some practicing with this thing and get to know the tool. What do we have inside? Inside we've got, looks like it's a couple of repair bridges here. You can see through the bubble wrap here. Go ahead and peel this open. One repair bridge there. Back that off. And one here. Oh, these aren't bridges. These are for something else. I'm going to have to read the instructions. I know. It's not like a guide to read instructions, but I'm one of those weird ones. And we have, let's see here, another bar that I do not know what it does. Definitely going to have to get on the phone with my boy Bradley to have him walk me through a bunch of this stuff. Got our curing light here. This I have seen slides right over the top of our injector. Right here, that is our injector, and boy, it's got some weight to it. That's nice. And our tripod, I'm guessing that is for the injector. That guy, looks like I've got my teeth right here to lock it in place. That drops in right there. And got some suction sealant, resin guard. Got a bottle of Onyx here. I've been genuinely curious about this stuff. I've been hearing good things about it. So definitely going to give that a shot and see how things go. And we got some gray, some amber. I'm guessing amber, that would be for older 4Runners and some older Toyotas that have that amber glass in them. That's nice. GlasWeld 1000. Genuinely curious. And GlasWeld 2000. Again, genuinely curious about these because with the old kits that I had and with Safelite when I worked for them, the limit on the size of a repair you could do was limited by how long the crack was. So got our pit filler and pit polish. And let's see, is there anything hiding under here? Oh my lord, there is. We have a whole new layer. Windshield repair quick start guide. So yeah, definitely going to be reading some instructions here. Some more paperwork, polishing cloth there. I'm guessing that would be a UV blocker, similar to if anybody worked for Safelite when they had the UV domes that you would put over the top of your repair tool to keep it from curing while you were working on it, especially on bright sunny days here in California. We got those look like they're just dividers for the box here. That looks like a temperature gauge, a digital thermometer, window cleaner, some spare drill bits for the Dremel, a little cork for polishing, some razor blades, some injector seal lube. Looks like a charging cable for our curing light would be my guess. I'm not gonna, you know what? I am gonna pop this open. Let's see what's in here. See if I can get it all back in here too. So, got our little punch here for popping glass and cracks. That looks like, yep, a little slide hammer. I've actually been looking for one of those for a long time. Got a probe, some Q-tips, some acid brushes, charging block. You can feel the plug ends on that. Got back in there. Got some O-rings and some tips for our injectors. Safety glasses, we'll set those aside. I wear safety glasses all day long because I wear glasses. Not Limar, Mylar for curing your pit resin. Got a little razor blade scraper. There's our thermometer, a little cork. Seen guys use the cork, that's for polishing out when you're all done, when you finish the repair for the pit with the pit resin. I'm gonna go ahead and close that guy up. Maybe push that over a little bit there. There we go. Drop that back in there. Got our UV protector and a GlasWeld blanket. Maybe a towel for laying over the top of the vehicle while you're working on it, which I actually have my repair blanket that I have from, oh, looks like I have an extra tip that somebody left sitting right there. My repair blanket from Ironhide that I use, that you guys have seen in some of the pictures that I posted. Another charging cable, some little polishing bits and wheels, some collets for the GlasWeld Dremel. So, doesn't matter who makes these, doesn't matter where they come from, they're all Dremels. Just one of those generic general terms. What do we have in our bag of stuff here? That looks like another little UV blocker would be my guess. And put that back in here so it doesn't get all scratched up. And that looks like that is the bottom of the kit, so we don't have anything else hiding in here, at least judging from the depth of the box and where we're at in our unboxing here. Put this guy back in here. That guy back in there. Lay that there. Going to keep this out because, as I said, I'm going to be reading some instructions. And put that back on here. It doesn't quite fit. What did we do wrong? The blanket's a little bulky here. I think we got some air in it maybe. See if we can push the air out of this thing. There we go. Lay that back in there. Like that. I'll put this guy back on top. And gonna say a huge thank you to my boy Glass Monkey out there in Tennessee, and to GlasWeld as well for this awesome kit. Again, definitely going to be reading some instructions and doing a bit of practice here in the next few days. But you will be seeing this guy on the channel. I'm going to be posting some repair work as well now, and see if we can do some glass repairs with this guy. Should not be a problem. I've heard nothing but good things about this kit. So that is unboxing the GlasWeld repair kit that I just picked up from GlasWeld and my boy Glass Monkey. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to GlasWeld. Thank you to Glass Monkey, and I will see you in the next video.